went to shore, but they didn't have brunch today. They only had lunch, so we came back to the boat, made coffees, and had a little breakfast, and we're gonna go for lunch instead. This medium time as we wait to do that is spent with little tasks. I just, the cupboards, they have like clips to make them stay in, and the ones had broken on 2 of our cupboards, so I just did those. In the pursuance of these many little tasks that we hadn't done before we left, we found a big problem. Is it part of the experience?
It's all part of the experience because you know, we're so busy working, and then we can finally get to working on the boat after. And you know, it's just, there's going to be things that happen and discover. We can't expect it all to go smoothly.
That is a part of the experience.
No, with foresight you could foresee these things.
But there's so many other things to have dealt with.
Well, we are gonna sit down and have a nice meal. We had a great meal, and now I am lying down because I'm too full. Life on a boat comes with many tasks that you need to complete, even on Father's Day. But my parents went at it to get the snaps connected to our bimini so it doesn't flap around in the wind and can be rolled up at any time when we need to. And again, I was on dog duty. Keep the little guy entertained. Jenny, do you have a lot of energy? Do you have a lot of energy? Do you have a lot of energy? Okay. Gotta sit. Sit. Drop. Drop.
Each time I go out walking, there's a small chance of me dying.
Oh, you missed it.
Forget, but sometimes I am reminded. So stick to the pine trees, the golf carts, the false start of it getting warmer, the periwinkle Honda hatchback, the pancake house on the corner. I've been around the block enough to know
It got chilly, so we went inside.
Like the earth is flat, so calm me down.
Mom, where are we going?
Well, we just left Penda this morning, and now we are heading back.
Why are we heading back?
To the Canoe Cove. Not onto our mooring, because Brad is now on our mooring. So we're going to go onto another mooring.
But why are we heading back?
Because unfortunately, the watermaker is leaking, and so Dad needs to go and speak to them at Trotic regarding the spectral watermaker. And then at the same time, we're going to take the opportunity to get purchases that we need. But the main reason is the watermaker.
How do you feel about the water maker?
A bit disappointed because it was just rebuilt a year ago, so I'm not sure why it's leaking. We don't need it, but it's just a nice luxury to have. So seeing me so close to home, it's worthwhile just popping into Victoria, getting the expert advice, maybe a rebuild kit, and we're also picking up a tablet for navigation.
Where are you headed?
Well, the plan is that now that we're going back to our home port for 2 hours or so, I'm going to entertain the doggo and take him for a little bit of a run / beach throw stick, and the parents are gonna go do the important things like shop and fix broken part, drop off broken part. Well, we certainly did not expect to be back this early. So we're tied up to a person we know from the bay, their mooring buoy, because we rented out our mooring buoy to one of the sons of the people who are renting our house. So right there is the dock that we normally bring our dinghy to. So it's super close to where this mooring is. So we'll do that. I'm gonna run chutney, and my mom and dad are going to do the important tasks like taking the broken watermaker part to Victoria to drop it off with people who can fix it. And then my mom's gonna do some shopping. I think there's a few organizational things, and there's packages that we got sent to our house because we knew we'd be coming back, that we're gonna pick up.
I remember where we were going, all the places that we dreamed. Always lost but never looking where they wanted us to be. You know I'm tired, but I'm done sleeping.
These aren't even the views of the places we're going. This is just home. This is just
I'm still keeping all the promises we said, 'cause we never left where we were, stressed as we were, frozen in our place when we meant what we said, hung by a thread and lost without a trace. So
Chutney went and got himself all dirty. Now I have to clean him when I get back.
we never
Chutney. It's not his fault. He was just trying to drink some water. Oops. Well, they should have put a sign on the other side. How's that to know?
If you lucky, throw it back. You know I'm tired.
Made myself a good wrap. So we had just got off the mooring to head towards Ladysmith or Up Island. We had dropped the pump off, and it was gonna be 2 weeks before it'd be ready. And then right now, we just got a call right after we left the mooring saying it's ready. So we're going back to go pick it up.
For some reason. And we came and we anchored in amongst all the boats and really crowded. You joined us in the night boat.
Yeah, I think so.
The nose looking down at the pizza is hilarious.
And I can actually see.
We're here in Montague Harbour. This is a park here. Pumbili's out there. I'm at the beach with Chet. The boys. That's us. You don't get the turquoise water in BC, but that doesn't mean the water's not super clear. New boots check. That's another day in the books. We're going to bed a bit earlier today, like 10 p.m. because tomorrow morning we're getting up super early so we can get a long day, so we can get up to Hornby Island, one of the best islands I've ever been to, and has such good people, such good vibes, such good beaches. It's like amazing. It's amazing. Just you'll see. So come back next time to see that. We're going there tomorrow.